Hi, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you have clicked onto this video, it was not by accident. There is definitely a message in here for you. So the message that I got is that you should be very excited for your future. Something exciting is taking place for you at this time. Okay, so you should definitely be prepared for some type of excitement or for some type of good news or something of that nature. Oh, look at this. Yeah, because you win. It's like you won the battle. Okay, you won the battle and the war or something like that. Yes, other people played themselves. Okay, yeah, but it's like you're winning something. You could be winning some type of contest. You could get chosen for the job or for the position or something like that as well, is what I'm picking up on. It's like they choose you. Yeah. It's like, so it's like you're selected. It's giving me is it Ed McMahon, or the public clearinghouse or something like that, or it's like you're selected for this job or for this position or something like that. Okay, it's like, but yeah, it's like you're just winning in life. Everything is just going your way or something like that. I mean, that's really exciting. It's like you have a winner's mindset is what I'm picking up on as well. What else is here? Yacht. This is giving me vacation or just a ease. You get to it's like smooth sailing. Thank you. Smooth sailing. Yeah, look, Chanel, Gucci, designer. Okay, so this is giving me luxury. All right, you may I'm hearing repurpose as well. So you may be the type of person that goes to high-end Goodwills. I don't even know if there is, or thrift stores, or it may not be the Goodwill per se, but you may actually go get vintage designer bags or something, and because that's what you like or something like that. You could be a fashion designer. Yeah, for sure. You're definitely into fashion. It's like they may choose you. Your career is taking off. They choose you to design someone. If you're a designer, you may get chosen to design, like, somebody that's high profile or something, is what I'm picking up on. You got this. Wanted to come out. Don't be afraid. You got it. Great Spirit, what messages do you have? What messages do you have? What messages do you have? Woo! This was at the bottom as well, and I was going to mention this when this one came out. Yeah, people are going to see you. Everyone's going to see your fashions or something, or whatever you do for work. Yes, it's like you're a very trustworthy person, but the people that you're going to be working with, they're trustworthy as well. You can trust these people. It's like Spirit isn't going to set you up to fail, Yeah, you're getting some type of new contract, okay? You're going to have to sign some type of paperwork. Or I see somebody like, eee! They're really excited. They're really happy about this news, or, or something that you're finding out. It's like you're really excited about it, or you're just excited that things are going your way. Ooh, excuse me. Hold on, y'all. I need to get a swig of water. Okay, we have herbalist, plants, natural meds, Reiki healer, medicine woman. Also, you guys could be someone that gives people spiritual advice here as well, is what I'm picking up on. You cannot make this up. You're definitely a stylist, or you just know how to dress. Okay, you know how to put things together. You know how to put clothes together. You could be a makeup artist. This is definitely something to do with fashion or your appearance. Thank you. Something is all about your appearance, even if it's not designer. There's something about your appearance that keeps you in the winning energy. keeping your nails done, your hair done, your clothes. It's like if you don't dress like you're somebody, they'll treat you like anybody. You know? So I think I may, title that this. It's like if you don't dress like you're somebody, they'll treat you like you're anybody. Yeah, people are watching. You have a lot of eyes on you. People like the way you dress. People like the way you look. Yeah, it's time for you to, it's time for you to, I mean, if you, okay, I'm getting a lot of messages. God dang. So one, I see somebody with a whole roll of fabric. This is definitely for someone. I hate to be so specific, but just stay tuned if this part isn't for you, because I'm going to pull more energy. But it's giving me somebody has a lot of fabric, a roll of fabric. It's like it's time for you to pull out that fabric and start your business. You have what it takes to start this business. You need to jump off the porch. Is what I'm getting. You need to start your business. You will get the publicity that you need, or the clientele that you need, or something like that. It's time to move away. Yes, your dreams, whoever you are, your dreams are going to be moving you or something like that. Or it's time for you to move away from what you're currently doing and start activating your own dreams and gifts and what you know how to do or something like that. Yeah, you need to take a chance on yourself. But no matter who you are watching, your appearance is everything. It's like when you walk out the house like you are somebody, because you are somebody. I've been wanting to say this too. You're the GOAT. You could also be a Capricorn. I'm fighting for this connection. So there could be a Capricorn fighting for you, or you could be a Capricorn that's fighting for someone here. Get grounded. Yeah. Again, you're naturalist. Okay. You could be into, again, Reiki with chakras and all of that as well. But you're the best to do something. All right. You have the secret formula or the winning formula or something like that. Well, the messages are here. Yeah, some of you guys need to, get an agent, a publicist, a manager, or somebody to help you, an assistant, something like that, a virtual assistant. Okay, also light up. Some of you guys may light up. You guys, may smoke a little something, okay? Somebody want to have your baby. So all my men watching, somebody want to have your baby. Or to my ladies, somebody want you to have their baby. Again, publicist. Something about being in the public eye. You're going to be in the public eye, so your appearance is very important. If you are someone, you don't have a clue of how to dress, or you kind of need some help in that area, it's time you start looking into fashion. It doesn't have to be designer and stuff, but just knowing how to I'm hearing specifically an ensemble. You need to know how to put together an ensemble. Okay? Also, it's kind of like, ladies, it's like for those of you all that are single, it's like making sure if you want to be in a connection, make sure that you dress in the part so you can catch somebody's eye, Somebody says, I'll do anything for you. Seems like somebody's trying to get back in your good graces or something like that, or somebody just wants to please you. Somebody wants to be on your good side. Yeah, they want to be on your good side is what I'm picking up on. Well, the messages are here. That is really sticking to me, though. Dress like you're somebody, or they'll treat you like you're anybody. Something is happening right around the corner. It could be something with real estate. And what did I say about you activating your gifts? What's understood doesn't have to be explained. Yeah, you need to activate your creative gifts. You're very, very creative with something, and it's time that you show people just how creative you are. I'm hearing business is booming. Yeah, business is booming for you. Business is going very well for you is what I'm picking up on. Let's get one more. Okay. Again, this is the second time we saw paperwork, contracts, legal. No, that was, yeah. Was it? Yeah. Look at this. Paperwork, contracts, legal. So definitely something legal is taking place. You can trust this contract that's coming through. You can trust that the paperwork is right or something like that, especially on this home. It's like, look at the, like, let's say if you're dealing with the real estate agent for you're purchasing the home, make sure that you're looking over the contract, of course. Make sure everything is there. Okay. I'm also hearing to add in whatever it is that you want or something like that. I don't know. But it's like the paperwork is right. You can trust this real estate agent that you're working with or something like that. Yeah, the graduate. You're ready. You're ready because stop doubting your skills and your gifts. I keep saying this in a lot of the readings. You got this. Maybe it's making you nervous because people are watching you, but you got it. Look, ooh, rags to riches. So your gifts are going to take you from rags to riches. This is exactly how you win. Yeah, housekeeping, butler. You could be cleaning your home or something like that. Help is on the way. Yeah, rags to riches. Help is on the way. Whatever you do for your gifts, put yourself out there so people can see you. So people can know who you are and what you do or something like that. Okay? All right, let's get some different energy. Something is telling me to pull some more from this. Okay, accounting, bookkeeping, finances, stars, universe, astrology. You could be into astrology or to the stars and the cosmos. 1 week to 1 month, something could be happening. It's giving me get your finances in order. It's like giving me be financially mature. Yeah, you're starting a family business or you're carrying on a family business or you have a family business. Yeah, you could be getting a new apartment, a luxury apartment or something like that. It's giving me, you know how the influencer, I just saw influencer too, but you know how they have the influencers and they be showing like they're doing their apartment tours and all that type of stuff, you know, their luxury apartment tours. You could be an influencer as well, doing something like that. You could have a YouTube. Let's see what else comes out. Yeah, somebody wants to conversate with you or converse with you. Run and don't look back. Yeah, financial investment. Definitely something here about your finances. It's like, so it's giving me, you're getting some type of large sum of money, maybe like from this contract or something something like that, or maybe from work, or you're stepping into a field. Maybe you're now into financing. Maybe that's what your career path is, and so now you're making more money. We also saw the graduate, so you could be an accountant or a financial advisor, and so now you're getting more money here. You're on the path to success here. And it's like you're never going back to being poor or broke or something like that with this run and don't look back. Also, it's giving me you left a connection, whatever connection you just left, don't go back to that connection or to that relationship. You left it for a reason. Don't let them convince you to come back or something like that is what I'm picking up on. It could have been because of money as well. But yeah, I definitely see you growing in the area of finances. It's kind of like if you were, broke or something like that, and now you got money. It's like, don't go back to your old money habits. And then again, somebody wants to talk to you. Somebody wants you to listen to them. Or learning how to communicate is very important. I feel like you're going to be communicating a lot of important information with people. Look, definitely something, again, with your money here. Yeah, somebody is like, hold up, we need to talk. Yeah, somebody like, we need to talk. We need to have a conversation. If it's this ex or this person that you just left from, No. The answer is no. Again, luxury. You could also be a concierge. You could also be a concierge person. You may have a concierge business or something like that. But just in general, I feel like communication is very important for you right now. It's 12/12 on January 22nd. I don't know when you guys are going to see this, but yeah, 12/12 could be significant. Look up those numbers. Oh, it's something I needed to go look up too. I'm being reminded to look up something for me so I can get a certain message from it, but I'm going to share it with you because it also could be relevant for you as well. Look up the meaning of a dove. What does a dove mean? So dove could be significant. Ooh, surprise. Yeah, you got some type of surprise coming. Again, real estate energy. And it's a different, this is different than the first real estate card that came out. Looks like there's a few doubles in here. But yeah, there's some type of surprise. Something unexpected is going to be taking place. Yeah, you're moving on up. You could be spending a lot of time at the studio. This could be music studio. This could be dance studio. This could be wherever you do your work. This could be the office or something like that, you know, is what I'm picking up on. But yeah, whatever you're doing, you're moving on up to the east side. You could be moving to the east side, or you're just moving up in your career. You're just moving up in life or something. What else is here? Flight attendant. Whoa. Concierge. You can have people waiting on you. Maybe it's a role reversal. People could be waiting on you. You could be calling the concierge services. Maybe you're at a hotel. You travel a lot for work. I feel like you're going to be traveling a lot for your work. I feel like whoever you are. Yeah, whatever you do, you make it look easy. But I feel like you're going to be traveling a lot. That's not going to be for everybody. Okay, again, these are general. This is the energy that's coming out in general. But if it applies, it applies, right? But whatever you do for work, you could be a fitness trainer as well. And people may pay you to travel to them or as well. But I see you having a lot of excitement and happy days. Again, get excited because things are going in your favor. Yeah, again, what's understood doesn't have to be explained. So I see you just doing a lot of traveling. And what was on the other side again? Yeah. It's like your lifestyle. It's like people envy your lifestyle or something like that. You're very protected though. Is what I'm picking up on. I'm going to go ahead and move this over here. I'm going to get one for right here. Let's get one for right here. This moving on energy really wants to be here. Yeah, look, I said moving on. So you're definitely moving on from one thing. But again, you're moving up. Bitch better have my money. Yeah, your money. Your money is growing. Again, you just bought a new apartment or a new house or something like that. We kept seeing real estate as well. Yeah, remember earlier we saw you with the you win. We saw you played yourself. So yeah, this person that you're moving on from, they played themselves and they know it. I'm hearing they were not supportive of your dreams or your goals or something. It's like, but you don't chase, you always attract. But this person is feeling like they ain't going nowhere. But they ain't got no choice. It's like, yeah, that person was bad vibes. They had bad vibes, bad energy. If somebody got bad energy, y'all got to cut them off. Like, come on now. Look what wants to be here. Studio nights. We already saw that. Yeah, because you're a TV star. It's time. That's why you're going to be in the studio. Production. You're working on some type of production. Whoever you are, you're part of a major production. Okay, this could definitely be for TV or just some type of work project, but it's taking a lot to produce it. You could be a producer, a music producer, TV producer. But again, you're highly protected. You may be somebody that needs security or may need security in the future as well, because you sparkle and shine. Yeah, you could be getting a lot of sales increase. Again, business is booming. Yep, your social media platforms are doing very well. Some of you guys could be a spiritualist or a tarot reader here. You need to start a YouTube channel. Let's just get one more. Okay. Yep, I saw this earlier. Put some respect on my name. You telling people to put respect on your name? Yeah. It's like you don't go off unless you have to. You have a connection with animals here as well, is what I'm seeing. People watching you. I'm trying to tell you, people watching you. Your exes could be watching you as well, but you got people watching you. Or people that you're no longer connected to. These people that may want to have a conversation or something like that. People that you've had to let go. But just in general, especially if you're a TV star, or if you're somebody, you know, it may not be something like that, of course, because not everybody watching me as a TV star, right? But it could be something like, you know, you could be in a magazine article, whether it's local, or, you know, you could, your local business could be doing well, and just your community sees you, right? Or something like that, or just you're getting a lot of attention on your social media platform with this photos and videos. You've been posting photos and videos and so forth of whoever you are, whatever you do. Yeah, you're a very exclusive person here. Yeah, is what I'm picking up on. You may, like, let's say if you take Uber, you may use like Uber Black or something like that as well. Some of you guys may have a car or a driver, depending on who's watching. But you're a very private person. It's like you're moving on the low, okay? But it's like, yeah, it's like people got to put respect on your name for who you are. I'm hearing you're making noise in the industry, whatever industry you're in. If you're in the financial industry, you're making some noise. You know, it's like you're outdoing everybody else's numbers or something like that. If you're in the real estate industry, you're making some noise. You know, whatever it is that you do, you're making some noise. If you're in the fashion industry, you're making some noise. People see you. And it's like they have to put some respect on your name, is what I'm getting. So these are your messages. Thank you guys so much for tapping into my energy and clicking onto my video. You guys can book your personal readings down below in the description bar. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. I am Coach Nayla LATRICE. Peace.